The most unexpected item in my bag is... Hi, I'm Monet, and are you ready to spill it? This is my by far bag. It literally fits everything. It's so compact, yet it fits so much, and I think it's a perfect bag to match with any outfit, regardless if I'm wearing like something just casual, sweats, or going to the beach, or even going to like a really fancy party. I just love it. It's so light too, and I hate carrying like giant bags because as a dancer, as anybody knows, we all had to carry the ginormous dance bags all the time. So now that I'm older now, we're carrying only small bags. This bag was originally gifted to me for By Far's new collection, and I was just I fell in love with it. I just thought it was so unique, and it had like this croc patterning that I just thought was so cool and looked very exotic. But also I hate bags that cut off like right here because it gives you no like arm room, and I feel like I'm always trying to like put it on and it keeps falling off. It's just such the ideal bag for someone who's always on the go like I am, and for someone who needs a lot of space mainly on the outer corners of their bag. But it fits so much more than it looks, honestly. Tips on keeping white bags clean. Baby wipes. So baby wipes, like literally from Target or the drugstore, save my life. And it's mainly not even the bag itself, it's kind of like the zipper area. But I do try and keep it as clean as possible because if I am wearing it with a really nice outfit, I don't want it to be dirty. So now you guys will be able to see what is my bag. First, we have my phone, of course. I have my iPhone with my little Kate Spade case here. And my flashlight. I've literally had this case forever. It was the first phone case I got for this phone, but I work so much for my phone, so it's always in my bag. I can never misplace this, which I have, so we're working on it. Next item in my bag is my sunglasses. I am so inspired by like old and vintage type fashion, clothing, and accessories. So these vintage little glass moments, they're just giving me life. I love them so much. They come in handy when I just wanna look a little cute. Because of the year that we've had, sanitizer is key. This sanitizer, I swear, is just heavenly. It has lemon, ginger, grapefruit, and lavender. So a whole little herbal blend there, and it smells so good. I mean, if I could have it in a perfume form, probably would. Then, of course, setting spray. This stuff, I swear to you, if you were to get anything out of this bag and you are a girl who loves makeup, this setting spray is everything. It keeps my makeup looking so fresh for like 24 hours. I'm such a lover for scents. I love smelling good all the time, and this just makes my face smell good. Next to my bag we have is a mask because of course with 2020 and COVID and everything, this is very important, especially if you don't have your vaccine yet, and even if you do, just being health conscious for everyone else is very safe. So I have this cute little LPA face mask here that's silk, matches my outfit. I love color coordinating, so this one also just matches everything in my bag. And it's silk, so it's not like gonna make my skin break out, and I'm very skin conscious, so this face mask is really nice. Then we have mascara. This is my current favorite mascara. It's from Bite Beauty, and it just makes my lashes so nice and fluffy, and I love that so much because I have really thick lashes, not necessarily long lashes. So this kind of gives me a little bit of both. Mind you, I change my mascara probably once a week, and I never really use the same one too often, but this one has been a staple, and I've consistently used this for the past months. It's so good. We have these two products I'm gonna bring out at the same time because they are from Tilbury. They are these magic wands, I'd like to call them. They're makeup wands, and I just think they're absolutely incredible. This one is for highlighting. We have a little nose highlight going on right now, so this is the one I use for highlighting. It's super versatile. It's their Pillow Talk highlighter. I've probably gone through 4 of these. They also have like blush versions of them and other different highlighter tones for darker skin tones or lighter skin tones. And this one, fun fact, I hate wearing lipstick. It's literally, I can't wear lipstick, especially with face masks. Now I feel like lipstick is all over my face all the time. But a tip that I taught myself and a makeup artist kind of like helped me with is using a bronzing stick as your lip liner. So that's currently what I have on now with a little lip gloss. I'm a big fan of lip gloss. This is the contour wand. I kind of use this mainly for lips more than my actual face. Then the blotting powder. I swear my bag's more makeup than anything else. So I mean, if any of my friends need a full-on makeover in the car, I got you. So this is the Flawless Airbrush Finish powder. I have it with a little brush that it comes with. It's amazing. I'm in the shade 2. I mainly use it for like highlighting points, but since I do get shiny in my T-zone area, this just keeps me looking fresh, a little mattified. We love that. It's so cute. Literally blotting as I speak because, you know, we need a little shine moment. Next, we have hair ties. For the meantime, my hair is out of braids, but even when I am wearing braids, I always have like my hair pulled back if I'm working out, if I'm on the go. Sometimes it's just too much to have it in my face. So having a rubber band and a scrunchie is probably the best for anybody. We have the lip gloss. This is the lip gloss I love to wear. I do love clear lip glosses, but I've been getting into a little color lip glosses. This one is Say My Name by Too Faced. It's their new plumping gloss, and I just love it. I normally like their lip injection lip gloss better. I already have big lips, I probably don't even need to use that, but this one just makes your lips feel really like nice and tingly, and I just love that sensation, and it's really pretty. So then next we have eyebrow gel. I'm a big brow fan, but baby hairs. Tip for anybody who is a girl who loves baby hairs, brow gel, incredible, but also a hack. This one currently is the one I've been using. It's from Kosas. It's their clear brow gel because I've actually never touched my brows before, so what you see is what you get. And these brows, just like brow gel, just keeps my eyebrows in place. But sometimes when I have an empty brow gel, I'll use Got2b glue, pour it in here and use it for my baby hairs, or anytime I need a little baby hair touch up, because I'm a big fan of them, as you can see. Airpods. I mean, doesn't everyone have AirPods now? This is my third set and I still only have one. I constantly lose my right ear. I've had 3 sets of AirPods and I've always lost the right one. And even my friend got me one for my birthday and now we still only have the left one. But AirPods, I'm always listening to music, and as a musician myself, music is just my life. Then next we have, of course, my favorite perfume. This is the Marc Jacobs perfume and it just smells amazing. It looks beautiful. Like, who doesn't want this in their bag? This is just so cute and I just love the smell of it. This one is the one I'm currently wearing now. I wish you could smell me through the camera, but it's so good. It smells amazing. And last but not least, my most unexpected item. I know you guys have been waiting for it. It's actually very sentimental to me and it kind of will forever make me feel like a child. Baby puffs. Like, who doesn't love baby puffs? And if you haven't had them, don't even like roast me in the comments yet until you try them, because they're so good. It's very good. They taste amazing. This is my current fave. We have a little strawberry, apple, but I mean, blueberry is my favorite. I don't suggest the sweet potatoes. I know all about this. I'm just giving you guys the full-on tips here. If you're gonna go and get these right now, get blueberry first and then you can try the other ones. And they make me really happy because it reminds me of when I was a child. I still kind of am, but like, you know what I mean. And as someone who just loves food, why not carry food in your bag? If I could, I'd carry my fridge. Thank you for watching Refinery29, and to watch more videos like this, click here, and to subscribe, click here.